I'm Jason Massey from the LaSalle Bed and Breakfast Inn. I'm standing in front of the Scion Bass House, designed around top amenities. Just beside that is the Tom Snook House, designed around the top value for your stay. Bike down here, less than a mile, and you can enjoy the festivals like this. Alright, we're here visiting
the Winnican home, and the Winnican home is over 150 years old. It is in Adams County, and it is just south of the Allen County line on the Winchester Road. The Winchester Road used to be famous coming up from Winchester, Indiana, and now it ends in Decatur, Indiana. The home name was in the woman's name because her father built it for her and kept it in her name because her husband was a pastor, and he was afraid that she would end up without a nice home to live in. There was 11 children born in the home, and they had a maid, but we believe the maid was one of her sisters.
Oh, wow.
Which was a norm for the period.
Yeah.
Family helped out family back then. The home had been changed many times. The doors had been changed, the add-ons had been changed, and so we have to take it down to its original home structure. That picture is taken probably in the 20s and the 30s. The door is in the center of the home, which Germans are good at, of balancing out windows and doors. It's a couple miles away from the Freedom Church, which Pastor Winnican took over after the pastor at the Freedom Church died after about a year of being a pastor at the church. Pastor Winnican also did a circuit ride from St. Paul Lutheran Church to Freedom Church to Bingen Church to Sos Church.
Wow.
Which would have been Winchester Road, Highway 27, and Wayne Trace. So that would have made a circle right around going back. Now if you think about it, you just think of pie-shaped roads going out of Fort Wayne.
Yeah.
But back then they just didn't have a road, they had trails.
Yeah.
So they would have had a round circle. So he would end up back at St. Paul. Finally he married one of the Boot girls, and they ended up out in Adams County.
Well, that's great. I appreciate you taking the time to discuss that. And yeah, this is GermanFest. Stop in and check it out. Alright, I just finished GermanFest. You got to visit and see the fun things that were going on. I'm gonna ride this bike back about less than a mile away. So now you see how much you can enjoy the GermanFest at a very short distance, and you can stay at the LaSalle Bed and Breakfast and have this nice luxury during the summertime. coming back from the festival. So you get a nice little view of our downtown courthouse, the Tower Bank with a large biking community. There's the River Greenway where a lot of people will do biking and whatnot. Hopefully I don't get run over by that car. But again, here's the back side of the courthouse. You know, downtown is always getting attention now due to the downtown improvement district. Always finding ways to improve our downtown. This was going down Berry Street here. Yeah, here's the Scottish Rite building. It's on the corner of Ewing and Berry, which you can pass either to and from Headwaters Park. Alright, here we are. We're heading down Fairfield, which is our main drag. Back there was the Pfeiffer House. And then you have Salvation Army here on the left. Agerman Construction here. As you can see, the traffic's not that bad as far as bicycling. There's the bed and breakfast. LaSalle Bed and Breakfast Inn with the Scion Hyatt Bass House, Thomas Snook. And here we go. We're coming right over here to the back part of the parking lot. That was our bike ride here. And we just finished doing GermanFest. Had lunch with my friend Tim, and it was a good time. It was less than a mile bike ride there. Took us less than 10 minutes to get there, maybe a 15-minute walk. You can see that on our website at LaSalleBB.com, and I've got a map on there that shows you all that. Very close to everything you need in the downtown area. So be sure to visit us on www.LaSalleBB.com. You can also visit us on our Facebook page, which is LaSalle Scion BNB. And definitely stop by our website, stop by our Facebook page, give us a review, tell us what you think. What about the Allen County Public Library, you may ask? Well, it has the second largest genealogy records in North America. It's also located in downtown Fort Wayne, only 1 block away from the LaSalle Bed and Breakfast Inn, with top amenities at the Scion Bass House Spa and top value at the Thomas Snook House. You get to receive downtown elegance with only 1 block distance to travel for your genealogy research. That's right, genealogy researchers. Stop by at LaSalleBB.com. Make your reservations for only a distance of 1 block.